Welcome back to our channels. Today we are taking a vibrant journey through time, tradition, and textures as we dive deep into the world of Myanmar dress. The iconic tradition dress that blends culture with grace. Traditional Myanmar culture are someone curious about African. You are enough for a treat. Myanmar is not just a dress, it's solely rooted in traditional. Myanmar has been worn for centuries. Identity, pride, and ceremony. Historically, it was handcrafted first, cotton-based fabric. Wounds wore it for wedding, holiday like team kits, and other special occasions. The flying fabric's intricate patterns along the border and the elegant fit reflect the craftsmanship of passed on through generations. The word of Myanmar itself divides for the word of learning or scholarships, representing wisdom and dignity which the dress embodies. A dress is a piece of art, the process being with raw cotton which is spun by hand and dyed using natural color. It's then usually operated by skilled, mostly men. It's in town like the most eye-catching part, the red colorful embroidery at the line, the hem and sleeves. This pattern vary by region and type, with communities having their own distinct designs. It can take days to weeks to make just one dress, which make each Myanmar deeply personal and uniquely valuable. Fast forward today, Myanmar has not stood this test of time. It's mixing it with designer or more modern fabrics or even westerns, creating a beautiful blend of old and new. From offshore design fitted waist to bold color combinations, Myanmar has become a staple not only at wedding and holiday but also at runway, global fashion weeks, and international red carpet. Celebrities, influencers, and diaspora communities proudly accessories often include nettle shawls around the shoulder, plinth or rich embroidery, often for royalty and nobility in the past. In a world where fast fashion demand remind us for craftsmanship, culture, pride, and legacy. Wearing Myanmar is not then style, it's about honoring where you come from, it's about giving continuations. The mother who passed down the throw fabric and the designs, breathing new life into its inner declarations. I know my roots, I respect my culture, and I carry it with pride. Celebrities showcase their heritage and style and prides. Fast forward to the video, Myanmar dress has only stood the test of time. It evolves modern designing Myanmar dress by mixing it with color combinations or simply to make bold culture statement at global events, wedding especially as a bride or guest. Culture celebration like Timkits or Fesica. Thank you for watching a scene celebrating the elegance and meaningful for Myanmar. If you enjoy the deep dive into the iconic fashion, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more cultures content, and share this someone more culture content and share this someone who would love Myanmar too. Drop a comment below what your favorite Myanmar's color or style. Until next time, stay stylish and stay rooted. Would you like me to tell us the Myanmar dress?